Yeah, that's a pretty fair price. That's a pretty sick card. All right, what's going on, everybody? Connor here from HOBBYZ on Monday, February 3rd, 2020, doing another 5-box mixer of 18-19-20 Prizm basketball. Random number 12. We just drew your teams. There were no trades. D North got the Pistons, Kevin got the Grizz, Phil with the Hornets, Joe May Bucks, Q Carter Sixers, Matthew Hawks, R's Clem Clips, Q Carter Spurs, Hunter with the Wizards, Joshua Nuggets, S Black with the Blazers, Derek Heat, Mark Magic, D North Thunder, Phil with the Bulls, Stevens Thomas Pelicans, Frankie Card Mavericks, Paul B Jazz, D North Cavaliers, Joe May Kings, PYI Raptors, Ray Dutchick Timberwolves, M Des with the Lakers, Jason W Suns, D North Pacers, Lefty with the Rockets, B Young Celtics, Ray 32 Nets, Q Carter Knicks, and DRP with the Golden State Warriors. All right, last break of the night. Good luck. All cards shipped, no hitless credits. Start with retail as always. Yeah, that's the parallel right to 15. That's a hella good price actually. I would have thought Daniel Jones sells for way more than that. Isn't he like the top rookie, second behind Kyler in terms of like what their cards go for, like in contenders and stuff? Yeah, same here. Impeccable. Too sick. Can't wait to pick up an impeccable Clark later this month. Yeah, definitely pick you up Murray or two. Both those guys could have big years next year for sure. Lock two. You're a PC guy. Now all we need is NT football to come out. This is the stretch right here. This is the stretch where all the best football stuff comes out. I think, for the most part, all this best stuff. Panini usually loads up. Obviously, selects coming out soon. I think they load up plays and patches usually every year to be really good. Obviously, one football limited comes out this week, so all the stuff leading up to NT, they super load up usually. Like all the best stuff comes out once the season's done. Kevin Porter, Silver Prism. Green Prism, Kevin Porter. Silver Prism, Andre Roberson. Silver Emergent, Jared Cover. Hype Donovan Mitchell, Green Prism. Auto, Jason the Jet. Going on to the Mavericks, Jason the Jet. Mavericks, Frankie Cards, Red Wave. DeAndre Ayton. Goga. Silver. You mean hold off until select? I saw you bought some Bronco spots. But select, man, such a great product every single year. Usually the MVP product every year, to be honest. It's most people's favorite product every year. Select football, that is. Red Wave Nikhil for the Pelicans. Silver Cow Kuzma. Green KG. Silver Brunson. And a green Myers Leonard. I don't blame you. It's hard to stay away from Select. Such a good product. Plus, the early chance at those next year's draft class Prizms. It's always a fun chase. Yeah, I know why you don't like limited. I know exactly why you don't like limited. I know you went hard on that 1 year of limited too. You went super hard on it. It did not want to show you any love. Blue Disco Prizm, Zach Collins Blazers, 22 out of 175. Silver Disco Rookie, Jordan Bone for the Pistons. Silver Mo Bamba. Kobe. Fearless Disco for the Lakers. Red Disco Zaire Smith, Sixers. 31 to 125. Zion. Grass Pelicans. Stevens Thomas. Charles Barkley. Blue Disco Shaquille for the Lakers. That was numbered 86 to 175. Silver Disco Torrey Craig Nuggets. Got an auto, fast break auto for the Wizards of Isaiah Bonga. Kid's playing well. Isaiah Bonga, 17-18 rookie. Let's go down to the Wizards. And your photo variation is a Cam Reddish. Grabbed it right on the photo variation. Congrats, Hawks. Photo variant Hawks. Matthew P. with the Hawks. Silver Disco photo variation. Steph Curry widescreen disco for the Warriors. Silver Disco Van Vliet. Silver Disco Isaiah. Fireworks Kyrie. Luck Lottery Ja Disco. Ja. Jalen Brunson. Red Jeff Teague, Timberwolves. 73 to 125. Red Disco. Silver Lonzo, Magic Johnson far out. And a purple. Very nice. Kobe. Grass Lakers. MDS. 11 out of 75. Purple Disco. Yep. I remember that one. Let's go choice. Silver Torrey Craig for the Nuggets. Silver Kyle Anderson. 180? What? Damn. Nice, dude. And Tiger Stripe SP. Michael Porter Nuggets. Tiger Prizm Michael Porter. Red Choice Prizm Auto is Dennis Rodman for the Bulls. Red Choice Rodman. Yeah, dude, that's freaking awesome. 180. Wow. And congrats to Milwaukee. Red Choice to 88. Giannis Antetokounmpo. 28 out of 88. 6 off the jersey. Congrats, Bucks. Milwaukee Bucks is Joe May. And this is a nice rookie, too. I'll keep the boom up there. Rookie Candy Cane, green, yellow, blue. DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks. It's a nice box of choice. Porter. The other Candy Canes are Zaire and Hassan. All right, let's go. 18-19. Prizm Retail. That's true. They're like $500 a box now, dude. This is what I'm talking about. Prizm is getting out of hand, dude. Prizm is getting out of hand. We're gonna reach a point where Prizm boxes are like $1,000, like out the gate. There's gotta be a weak draft class coming up eventually, right? Like maybe not necessarily weak, because nobody ever perceives any draft class weak out the gate, right? People are always hopeful of new rookies and what they can possibly do for their teams. But there's gotta be like another 2013 draft class coming soon. So we've been having some pretty stellar draft classes lately. And when that happens, you know, the prices of products and the secondary market will all go down. Damn, a green Luka. Damn, that's a dream right there. All right, Svetoslav. There's a Kevin Knox base rookie for the Knicks. Hyped up LeBron. Bagley freshman phenoms. Silver Jeff Teague. Green Prizm Rudy Gay. Silver Steve Nash. Freshman phenom Kevin Knox. Points card will randomize to everybody. 150. Silver Gary Harris. Green DiVincenzo. Freshman phenoms. DiVincenzo base. Rookie Anthony Simons. Nice green Blazers. Anthony Simons green. Devontae Graham. Siakam. Hamadou. Jerome. Kobe. Silver Kobe. Ooh, silver rookie Mo Bamba. Nice, Magic. Yeah, any Kobe card now is so precious to get, you know. Let's keep that in the collection. Red Wave, Brandon Ingram. Silver rookie Jared Vanderbilt for the Nuggets. Especially something in the Prizm, man. The Prizm silvers any year, you know, like guys like, especially for Kobe now, they're gonna be highly in demand, you know, years from now. Highly in demand. Any year Prizm, I think. For the people, you know, they obviously can't, well, most people can't afford the chrome refractor rookie, which are going for like $30,000-$40,000 right now. Billy Preston Cavaliers. Prizm silvers are the next best. Emergent Jaren Jackson green. Nice one. I don't know. There's a rumor that people said that Kobe did a signing with Panini right before he passed. So I don't know. Like we were speculating on the hype this past week. We think that Kobe, because he has live autos in Revolution, right? So he has live autos in Revo, which was a newer product. It just came out. And I think he has live autos in Crown Royale too. So we think up until maybe like the next 3 to 4 releases, we'll have live Kobe autos. And then after that, I don't know. That would have been awesome if they got Kobe. I mean, you know, got Kobe in the sign. He was signing some maybe like all the way up to hopefully MT National Treasures in like April or May. But I highly doubt it. I'm curious to know if they got Kobe to sign that blockchain that sold right for $60,000 a few weeks ago. If they had him in signing that one already, or if they already had that signed, you know, a while ago. Because that blockchain Kobe logo man auto sold for around like 62,000 or something like that. This was like 3 weeks ago. Oh, there's another Kobe right there. Base. If they don't have any more Kobe autos to fulfill the redemptions, what's most likely going to happen is just, you know, they're going to do what they always do when they can't fulfill redemptions of players anymore. They'll just offer to replace the redemption with an equal card. And like we talked about on the show, Panini will probably be when you try to get your redemptions for equal value, they're not going to look at the prices after he passed away. They're going to look at the prices before he passed away. So you're not going to get the equal value of what they go for now, because now that he's gone, but they're probably gonna look at the prices before he passed away for the for the trade for something that they can actually send you. All right, hobby. Then we're gonna randomize for the points. Red Avery Bradley for the Lakers to $2.99. Red Prizm. That's a silver JaVale McGee. Hyper Michael Porter. Got a Michael Cooper auto right on the back there for the Lakers. Michael Coop, vet auto. Hyper Aaron Gordon. That's a silver Spencer Dinwiddie, Red Wave James Harden. There's a Zion, second Zion for the Pelicans. Congrats. 2 Zion's basis for Stevens. Orange. Not a rookie, though, it looks like. Yeah, not a rookie. These oranges are tough pulls. Alex Len for the Hawks, Orange Prizm. Being only 49 of each player. 49 copies. That's still one of the most expensive Clarks on the, like, trying to get one of those. They still go for, like, more than, like, most of the other Prizms. Is kind of crazy, actually. They almost, I think they sell for more than like the Mojo Prizm, which is numbered at 25. That's the crazy part. The oranges of my player. I don't know about anybody else's player, but yeah, the orange Prizm Clark has been one of the more expensive Prizms, even more expensive than a lot of the hypers, or not the hypers, the Mojo to 25 that have been selling. It's wild. Ja Morant, base rookie. Congrats, Grizzlies. Base rookie, Ja. Kevin. Here's a purple ice non-rookie Norman Powell for the Raptors, 32 to 149. Red Wave Basley. Silver Bobo for the Nuggets. Bobo, 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 Bobo. Joshua Nuggets. Jalen McDaniel rookie auto, sensational. Hornets. That's an RJ base rookie and then a purple Brook Lopez behind that. Purple's another one of the lowest numbered parallels here. Purple Prizm, Milwaukee. 11 out of 75, little jersey number. And in case anybody doesn't know about jersey numbers, and I tell this story at least 10 times a year, and this is funny because this is the exact guy that's in my story. A few years ago, this must have been like 4 years ago when I was still like getting into breaks myself. I pulled, I think it was Doug and Dan actually. They got me a Brook Lopez flawless. No, it wasn't Doug and Dan. But I got a National Treasures base card of Brook Lopez. It was from a blowout break, I think, actually. Blowout. It was a base card of Brook Lopez, and it was his jersey number base card from National Treasures. So it was 11 out of 99, kind of like this one. This one's 11 out of 75. I was like, jersey number. I knew that, obviously I knew jersey numbers go for more because I've been in the back in the hobby for a while. So I knew it was gonna go for more than normal, but it ended up selling for like $150. I was like, what for my base? Just because it was jersey number. So in case anybody's wondering how much a jersey number can possibly go for, the collectors of players, they want the jersey numbers and they will pay a premium for it. I thought I was gonna get like maybe $50 at most, to be honest, like 50, maybe 40. Alonzo Mourning to 299, red Prizm, Hornets. Silver LeBron fireworks. We'll top load that for Lakers. All right, and new crazy rookie parallels in that one. All right, guys, that was another 18-19 Prizm NBA Explosion 5-box mixer, random number 12 on Monday, February 3rd, 2020. Before we let you go, let's randomize the 150 to everybody. There's no Hillis credits going on in this break, but all card ship, you'll get all your base. We're going to randomize all 30 teams 11 times like we did for your spots earlier. The top team after 11 randoms will get the 150 reward points. All right. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th final time. That's going to be Thunder with the points. OKC. Thunder. All right. All right, folks, that was it. The last break tonight. Thank you for hanging out with me today on Monday. I know it's usually Doug and Dan breaking today, but they're on their way to Dallas. They're actually in Dallas right now for that Topps $1 Million card rip. So check out our stream tomorrow. They're going to be streaming all day long, breaking brand new Topps Series 1 a day early. Congrats. Good luck to everybody in those breaks. I think they're doing two case breaks of Topps Series 1, and then they're doing 6 or 7 personals. So check that out tomorrow. They're gonna be live from Dallas Cowboys Stadium, so that's gonna be fun. They should have some special guests and maybe athletes joining them too for that. And then I'll be back on Wednesday to rip the brand new stuff, limited football, and yeah, that's it tonight. Peace, everybody. Good night, Kasai, Max, Chris. Good night.